just get into it. Okay.
Hey guys, so this is Ms.Misfit. For those who are new to my channel, I'm called Ms.Misfit because I've always felt like a misfit, like I didn't belong anywhere, and I want to create a channel about self-care where people can come and feel as though that they belong. Now, on to the Shark Cordless Pet Pro review. It's multi-flex. It can reach, store, and charge anywhere, which is great. Oh, look at my son. He's just ready to go into it. Now, it is a handheld, so it's multiverse. It's multi-flexible, is what it says. I think it's because it bends and stuff, which is really great. It bends under furniture while cleaning, and it's also self-cleaning, which is fantastic. And it also comes with Pro Friends that continue cleaning. Now, it says it goes up to 40 minutes of runtime, which we'll see, and I'll let you guys know later along the course of the video how long it actually goes. And for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and continue with the video as is. This is the vacuum we have now. It's not fancy. And my carpet, yes, I put bleach on the floor because I'm an idiot. And this one is what we had before. It was pretty light, but it didn't really do much. But we will test it against the Shark vacuum cleaner. Of course, it's gonna be better. The amount spent, you know. Alright, we're gonna go with this. I'm assuming this is the head part. Wow. We're setting up the new Shark vacuum that I just got. It looks really good. It's already picking up all the crap that's already on the floor. We really needed a new vacuum. It was time. It was time. So what I am trying to do now is just separate everything just in case we have to take it back. So taking out my new Shark vac and oh wow, cool. I need to get a better background, but I really like this. This is definitely going to be used to vacuum the couches, sofas, etc. Bed. This is definitely going to be used. And I love all the little bristles on there. I like anything new, really. Alright. Next thing it came with was this. It's like a duster. Whoa. Oh, actually, it's one of those suction thingies. You can get in like really tight crevices. I like it. And then there's the hook thingy. I think that's what you use to attach or take it off, or both. I think to take it off though. Press it, it comes right off. And then this part. Ooh, wow. This, I think, is the fanciest thing I've ever owned in my life. Let me stop. I think this is like the fanciest thing I've ever owned in my life. Let me stop. Probably. Knowing myself. And cool. Alright. I have to make sure I don't lose that. Wow. Shark vac. What? Cool beans. This way? I think this goes this way. Wow, that was kind of simple. Goes, just like that. This thing is heavy. Oh, and then it folds just like that. Okay, I just wanted to add that it can last for up to about 25 minutes, and it takes about 2 hours and 30 minutes to charge. On high, it can do about 20 minutes, which technically is all I need. And since it's so easy and so it can pick up things really quickly, it doesn't take long. I can't tell if this is like badass or just decent or hardly picks up anything. So I put baking soda on the floor, and we're gonna see how many times it takes to get most of it up off the carpet versus that one. That side and this side. Maybe I should put some tape down, but I didn't, so oh well. Just try to go as straight as possible. And I haven't even charged it yet. It automatically started working once I put all the pieces together. So that's pretty cool. And there's different levels. So this one's carpet, and then this one's floor. That tells you which. And there's a little sticker that helps me too. Cool. Wow. And that's just with regular sunshine. There's a little gun trigger that tells you to, like, for it to go harder or not. And that was just with 2 passes. That was just with 2 passes. So I'm gonna do that. And this does not stand on its own, so you're gonna have to put it like this in order for it to stand on its own. But still pretty good. You can like really see the difference. Then still gotta do like 1 more pass, but that was pretty cool. Now, time for this piece of shit. Let's see what she does. And yes, I do have stains on my carpet. This is a rental. Well then. This one, you can definitely see where she picked up everything and all of that. And this one, there's still a lot of blending in it, but you know she at least tried. All right, to keep the line there, we're just gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna pour some cereal, and we're gonna do a floor test too, get that cereal, because we have a child and he loves to just throw shit, and there's all types of shit, rice and stuff on the floor. So I did about 2 handfuls on this side, and I'm going to do 2 handfuls. Now this one is not a really good structured test. If you really want to see like some good test work, you should watch the other dude. Does that look even to you? Even messness, even disgustingness? Yeah. All right then. First, the OG herself, because she did leave a lot of streaks with the last one. Two passes. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, let's try. Oh God. There we go. Yeah, you have to press the middle button to get her standing. And this thing is like my size. This thing is really tall. It's like really high up. So if you're a really short person, like, I don't know. But this thing is super high, which I kind of like though. All right. Now, for the piece. And this is just on low, so I'm not even on high when I'm vacuuming her right now. Ready? 1, 2. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna just get the rest because that was flawless. Oh my God. She just ate all that, man. She did. No wonder she's called the shark vacuum. Oh, I kind of want to start vacuuming now. That was sexy. Oh man, she did amazing. That was awesome. Okay, I don't know if you guys are big cleaners or not, but that was sexy. And I was scared because sometimes I feel like I should have gotten the Tinko instead, but she did pretty good work. And she's a really cool color. All right. Dun, 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 dun. It is now time for the floor test. I mean, for the regular floor test thing. Again, you just go ahead and bare floor. Was like 2 passes. Hold on, we'll assess the situation once I put her down. I think that's the only downside to doing her, and I know I can lean her against the wall. That's what I should have did. I should have leaned her against the wall. She did fairly good. Now it's time for the regular vac, and no, this does not go on both, but I used to do it anyway because, well, mama needs something sucked sometimes, okay? I don't feel like sleeping all the damn time. All right. All right, there was definitely more left behind. Clearly, she's the winner. All right, now it's time for a shark vacuum cordless montage.